Hey, what's going on everybody? Today we want to talk about a problem that I'm pretty sure most of you guys have, which is
water pressure in your shower.
That's right. For people like me with very little hair, it's not an issue. But Christina trying to get the shampoo out of her hair?
Yeah, it's an issue. I like my shower to have a lot of pressure.
That's right. So anyway, so we had this problem on the last RV we had, the Class A. We bought the same thing that I'm going to mention it in a second to fix this issue, and when we traded in that RV I forgot to pull it out, so we had to buy it again. Anyway, so what we bought is called the Body Spa from Oxygenics, and it's they call the Oxygen shower head, and it's this guy right here, and we're going to post how much it costs and where you can buy right about here with a link on the description below. And what this does is, so technically you still have the same water pressure coming from your city water line. This just kind of pressurizes that line to give you the impression of having a stronger shower head, a stronger water coming out of your shower head, which helps people like Christina and people like me with hair in it. I don't mind. Any drop of water will wash my hair. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you guys the situation we're having with the shower head that we currently have, and then what it's like after we install this. So let's go ahead and start.
Okay, sounds good. So why don't you guys come with me, and I'm going to show you how the water pressure is in our shower right now. This is I'm going to show you the original shower head that came with our RV.
Yeah, the pressure is really not that much at all. It's pretty sad.
If you can see in here, I'm going to turn the water on.
And it's on all the way, right?
This is on all the way. It's very weak.
That noise you guys hear, it's the pump. We're not hooked to anything right now. So when you first buy this, when you first get it, it comes nicely packaged and all that. We ripped it and threw it all in the trash already before I could show it to you guys, so I apologize about that. But it comes like this, and now I'm going to show you guys how easy it is, at least on this rig that we have, how easy it is to change it. So this is the original that came with it. So I'm literally just going to unscrew this. It's really that easy, and you don't want to lose anything that it's in here. Usually you're going to have things like this, which is a seal ring, and you want to save that. Get some of this water out. So in our RV, this is the original one that came with it. As you can see, it's pretty standard, pretty bare bone. Okay, so let me see if the same ring here will fit this shower head, which it does. Then you plug this guy right in here like this, and it's that easy. This connection, it's universal, so it's going to work pretty much for 90% of all the RVs out there. And now we're going to test it. Let's see how much more pressure we have now. You guys ready for this? Wow! Wow, I just got soaked. And I think I forgot to turn the water pump on as well. Alright, let me check, make sure the water pump is on. Okay, we're now going to do another take on that because I am wet. So, let's turn this on now. How much more pressure you have?
A lot more.
A lot more pressure. Christina can definitely wash your hair with this.
I sure can.
Again, all that noise you hear is because we're not plugged into anything. The RV is technically in the storage right now until the next camping trip. At this moment, at this time of the year, we're still weekend warriors, and right now we're in storage. We're not hooked to anything, so what you hear there is just a water pump going. Okay, so this is it. You guys saw me changing the shower head and how much more pressure you're going to gain by switching your shower head, by getting shower head from Oxygenics. By the way, I want to point it out that we're not being sponsored, paid, anything by the brand of shower head that we just installed. This is just, we went into Amazon and we bought it. We love it and we want to share it with you guys.
Hope you guys enjoy, and let us know what you think in the comment section.
And happy showering.
Happy showering.